Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch 9 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch. You can turn it on by pressing and holding the side button right here. Keep holding the button until you see the Apple logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch boots up. After the watch turns on, you will see this message on the screen: bring your iPhone near Apple Watch. And once you do it, you may see the pop-up on the screen about your watch being ready to be paired rather, and you can tap on Start Pairing button on this pop-up. My iPhone is already laying next to my watch, so I won't get this pop-up. So I'm just gonna open the watch application. But if you see the pop-up, simply tap on Start Pairing button. Let's open the app. Tap on Start Pairing, and you should see this page after you tap on the pop-up or open the app. And once you see this page, you can select to set up for yourself or for the family member. I'm gonna select for myself. Now we need to point the iPhone's camera on our watch to basically scan the screen of the watch. So I'm gonna point the camera on the watch like this, and here we can restore the watch from the backup. If you want to do it, tap on Restore from Backup and select the backup you want to use. I'm just gonna set up this watch as new, so I'm gonna tap Set up as new Apple Watch. Here you can select the preferred wrist, left or right, and tap on Continue. Now let's tap on Agree to terms and conditions. Right here we can create a passcode. So basically, if you want to have passcode or lock screen protection on your watch, you can tap on Create a passcode or add a long passcode and basically enter the PIN. And then once you activate it, you will need to enter the PIN to unlock the watch. I don't want to use this feature, so I'm gonna tap on Don't Add Passcode, but if you want to use it, you can do it right here. And here we can change the text size and we can enable the bold text option. So if you want to customize the text, simply slide on the slider. And if you want to enable the, for example, bold text, tap on the switch right here. And once you're done, tap on Continue. And here tap on OK. Right here we can personalize the fitness and health data. We can change the date of birth. We can change the sex, height, weight, and you can also check the fact if you're using a wheelchair, you can enable this option to let the app know that you're using a wheelchair. Okay, and once you're done, tap on Continue. Here we can enable or disable additional features like noise and cardio fitness by tapping on the switches. And once you're done, you can tap on Continue. And here you can, if you enable the cardio fitness feature, you can check if you're using any types of medications. So if you do, select one of the options and then tap on Continue. Here tap on Continue. And let's wait until the setup is complete. And once the setup is complete, you will see the hello message on the screen of your watch. Here you can tap on OK. You will see your watch on the in the app, and you can tap on Start and go through the tutorial how to use the watch. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.